take your privacy seriously. You guys should check out Private Internet Access. Link will be below. They got a great deal going on. What's going on, you guys? I got a bit of a different video here today for you guys who use the Elgato game capture and use Adobe Premiere. Now, I'm not sure when the version was that this happened on, but if you're somebody like me who actively updates your Creative Cloud and you may not have an old version that you can restore to, or maybe you don't want to, what's happening is when you drop your MP4 footage from the Elgato, this may happen on other capture devices also, but when you drop your footage in, it's not working. Basically what happens is it will tell you that the video is literally 1 millisecond or 1 second, and it doesn't allow you to play the video, drop it in the timeline, do anything. Like, it's stupid what has happened. Now, instead of reverting back to an old version, I basically have a fix here, and it's a pretty quick fix, but I'm going to demonstrate to you what happens with the MP4 footage. So, if I drop this clip in, it will say it's imported, and as you can see, it says 1 second, okay? And I can't play this. Like, you can't even drop it in the timeline. Like, you can't. I have a gameplay footage here, which I'll bring this window over. As you can see, it says it's 7 minutes and 39 seconds, right? So if I drop this in here, as you can see, it's telling me it's 1 second. So you can't do anything with it. So the only fix for this, well, there was only one fix, which is to go back to an old version. However, you don't need to do that, okay? As you can see here, I'm going to leave a direct link below to a zip file that's going to have these files here, okay? These ones, you're better to copy over all these, not handpick them and find out which one causes it to work. These are all the MP4 files that will work in Tandrum. So you're going to copy this, okay? So you're going to unzip the zip file, you're going to copy these files. You're going to go to your Adobe Premiere location to where you have the exe. You can right click your Adobe Premiere icon, go to properties, go to open file location, and it will bring you here, okay? So you're going to paste these files here. Now I use Terracopy, so I get this little prompt here, okay? So I'm going to hit overwrite all, and it override them. So now if I go back, so this is a pretty fast fix. Obviously this video is going to be a little longer than the amount of time it took, because I'm showing you guys what happens. And again, this only if you're having issues with the MP4 files. It may be from other software too, but I noticed with the Elgato that it does this. So if you have other software and it's doing this too, well then there you go. You got a little quick fix. Okay, so here's that Elgato. This is taking a minute to open up now. This may happen to you. It may take a little longer to open up it the first time after switching these files. Just give it a minute to open, and then the next time you open up Premiere, it should be fine. Okay. So these MP4 files do not break this program at all. It still functions how it should. You can still render the video. Okay. So now, as you can see here, we have that footage, 7 minutes and 39 seconds. So if I drop that here, give it a minute to add, there you go. Now the gameplay shows up. I have that little clip too that I had. Drop that in here, and it shows up. And guess what? You drop it on your timeline. So now you can actually play your MP4 files without having to convert DMux, rip the string, and do all this other steps to get this footage to work. You can render out your footage in the Elgato software and import it into here, no problem. These files are from an older version of Adobe Premiere Pro, and they work. Because the new ones are broke, I don't know when they're pushing out an update. I unfortunately got in contact with the support and they said they don't have and my estimated time for the fix. So here you go. Here's a fix for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out. Made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, on the left is a video you may like, and on the right you can check out my last video. Again, thank you for checking out the video. It means a lot. See you on my next one. Peace.